Steve Mace here with the Eastern Sierra Avalanche Center. I'm near tree line at about 10,000 feet on an east, slightly southeast aspect here in the Mammoth Lakes Basin. Walking up here today, I did have a minor collapse in this area and found a good place to dig in, and this is what I found here. So we've got about 90 centimeters or so, 3 feet-ish of the new snow from this last weekend storm. It's condensing fairly well. It's gaining some strength. It's pretty right side up. We got 4 finger up high, down to 1 finger down low, and that's sitting on top of an old melt freeze crust that's starting to decompose a little bit, but still fairly structured. And that's overlying these really weak, fist-hard, large-grained facets from the October-November snow that are still sticking around. Now, I did see this as my layer concern during a compression test. I got it to pop with 13 hits, so 3 from the elbow there. Sudden collapse result. I had an ECT test fail in isolation, and my propagation saw test failed at 30 centimeters over 100. So all of those put together is telling me that this is still a fairly active weak layer. So while these clear skies and more mild weather overall is going to help our snowpack kind of settle out, it's going to make this a harder layer to trigger. However, if it does trigger, it's still going to be a fairly sizable avalanche. So this is the type of situation that we saw last year during January that gives me some pause. We want to be diligent, especially if we're looking at those bigger triggers, right? Like cornice fall, or maybe a smaller avalanche, or if you find a more shallow location where this is closer to the snow surface. So even as things start to settle out a little bit, I want us all to remain diligent and stay safe out there as we enjoy this new snow.